parallel lines and triangles. See the question. Here angle A is given 50. Then you can see two ends B and X. You have to draw a line starting from B to be drawn parallel to X. You have to draw a line from B. The line is parallel to X. After drawing BY, you will get two angles. A and B are co-interior angles. The angles A and B are co-interior angles. A is 50, angle B is completely, and so it should be 130 will come. And that 130 you are splitting like this. Draw a line BC, you get angle 70 here and angle 60 here. Then you have to complete the triangle ABC. Then we have to find out this angle. How much is this angle? Draw a slanted line from B to X. Let this point as C. Make this angle as 70 and this will be 60. So total is 130. 130 plus 50. The co-interior angles 180. And while drawing this BC, this is not parallel to X. Then we get a triangle ABC here. Triangle ABC. We know the angle at A and angle at B. What about C? How will you find out the angle at C? We already studied the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. You consider like that. The sum is 70 plus 50, 120. Then total is 180. 180 minus 120 is 60 will get it. And you already studied about alternate angles. See here, this is 60. This is the alternate of this one. So this angle is 60 itself. Otherwise the sum is also 180. 70 plus 50 plus 60 is 180. We can say here these are the alternate angles. So directly we can write the answer as 60. So we got all three angles here. In this AC and BA are parallel. This is a line crossing it. So these are the two alternate angles. This angle ACB and angle CBY are alternate angles. What is the value of this alternate angle? That is 60 degree. So this is the way you have to find out the other angle. Can you compute the angle at C in the triangle below? That means angle ACB you have to find out. And for finding out that, you have to extend C. Then draw a parallel line here. For finding out ACB, you have to extend this line and draw a parallel line here. Extend AC, you will get AX. Then draw the parallel line. So fix the scale here and move your divider. You can draw the parallel line here. Draw the parallel line BY here. Then we can find out this angle if you know this total angle. What about angle ABY? Angle ABY you have to find out. How will you find out? If this is a 40, what about this total angle? that is 140. Out of that 140, what about this? Here it is 60, 140 minus 60, it is 80. It is 80 degree. So these are the angle ABY. You got 60 plus 80, that is 140 degree. Have you got 140? Total angle is 180 degree minus 140 is equal to 180 minus 40 equal to 140 degree. So ABY is together it is 140. Out of that, this angle is 60, this angle is 80. Then you can easily find out this. These two are alternate angles. So this is 80 degree. So angle ACB is equal to 80 degree. So these two angles are alternate angles. So angle ACB is equal to CBY. Angle CBY, both are 80 degree each. Then see once again, this angle is 40, this is 60 given. So you have to draw the parallel line here. So once you draw the parallel line, this total angle and this one, these two angles together, it is interior, co-interior angles. So out of that 180 minus 140 minus 60, you got 80 degree here. The same 80 will get here also, because they are alternate angles. Angle ABY is 140 because it is a co-interior. Remember that one, co-interior angle. And these two are alternate angles. So angle ACB is equal to 80. It is same as CBY also. So if a triangle like this is given, you have to find out ACB. What you have to do? First of all, you have to extend AC. Then draw a parallel line. Then you have to find out this total angle, because these two are co-interior angles. And from this you will get this angle. And if you get this angle, that is the alternate of this. So these two angles are equal. So likewise you can find out the angles here. The measures of the angles are given by the letters A, B and C. A degree, B degree and C degree. What is the relation between them? What is the relation between A, B, C? How will you find out this? So we have to extend this line, then draw a parallel line here. Then you have to find out the alternate angles. So finding out the answer, what you have to do? This line is extended, AX, and the BY parallel line you have to draw it. So angle CBY is same as angle ACB. What about angle ACB? It is C degree. So this also C degree. So from this figure you can find out A plus angle ABY, this whole angle together it is 180. So angle A plus, angle A is here, plus ABY, this angle, total angle, angle ABY is equal to, what about these two angles? Co-interior, the sum is 180 degree. Angle A is how much? A degree, plus angle ABY is how much? B degree plus C degree, plus C degree. What about here? 180 degree. So this is a relation between A, B and C. That is A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. That is, sum of three angles is 180. Sum of the angles of any triangle. Sum of the angles of any triangle is 180 degree. So from this question we are proving that a plus b plus c is equal to 180. All three angles, if we are added, we will get 180 degree. This is given. This you have to find out because they are alternate angles. And the sum of the angles of any triangle is 180. Sum of angles of any triangle, a plus b plus c. Both three of together, the sum is 180 degree. Good morning, students. In the figure below, AB and CD are parallel lines. Compute all angles in the figure. That angle A is given how much? 70 degree. Angle B is given 60 degree. Other angles you have to find out. If you consider this A, B, E, angle A and angle B is given. You can find out angle E. How will you find out angle E? Is already studied. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180. So angle A plus angle B plus angle E is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is 70, angle B is 60 plus angle E is 180 degree. So 60 plus 70 it is 130. 130 plus angle E is equal to 180 degree. So angle E is equal to 180 minus 130. We will get 50 degree. So angle E got 50 degree. Angle E is 50 degree. If there is two parallel lines here and a line is crossing like this, what about these two angles? These are the corresponding angles. So this angle is 70 degree. Same like you can write here also. This is 60 and this also 60 degree. So these two are corresponding angles. Angle A is 70. Angle BCE, this angle is 70 because they are corresponding angles. Then angle B is 60. Angle CDE, this is also 60 because they are also corresponding angles. Next, these two angles you have to find out. So if you consider this is a parallel line, what about these two angles? It is co-interior. Here also you can see it is co-interior only. This angle ACD, angle ACD is equal to co-interior. The sum is 180 degree. So this is 70. So then what about here? It is 180 degree minus 70. So it is 110 degree. It is co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Then next this one BDC. Angle BDC is equal to these two. The sum is 180. So it is 180 degree minus 60. It is 120 degree. So write again co-interior angles. Right here it is 180 minus 70, 110 degree. 180 minus 60, it is 120 degree. This is the way you have to find out. These are the two parallel lines. A line is crossing, also a line is crossing. These two are co-interior. These two are corresponding. Co-interior corresponding angles. And E is the third angle of a bigger triangle. So sum is 180. Out of that, this is 50. Others you got 70 and 60. In the figure below, PQ and RS are parallel. Calculate all other angles in the figure. Here, angle P is equal to 60 degree, angle Q is equal to 40 degree, 40 and 60. So if we consider the first triangle, what about this angle? Sum of angle is 180. So angle P plus angle Q plus angle T is equal to 180 degree. So it is 60 plus 40 plus angle T. Instead of writing angle T, you can write P, T, Q. I wrote here T itself. So 180 degree. So angle T is equal to 180 minus 40 plus 60 is 100 plus angle T is 180 degree, and angle T is equal to 180 minus 100 is equal to 80 degree. Angle T means PTQ. Angle PTQ is equal to 80. Both are equal, and so you got 80 degree. So this triangle is completed. Next, what about this angle RTS, or opposite of this? So this also 80 degree, because that is a opposite angle. Angle RTS is equal to 80 degree because it is an opposite angle. Then these are the two parallel lines. This is a line crossing it. Then what about here? These two are alternate angles. So angle TSR is equal to TSR. This angle is alternate of this. So this is also 60 degree. You can write alternate angle. Then if this is 40, this is the alternate angle, so that also 40 degree. So angle TRS is equal to 40 degree because they are also alternate angles. So this is the way you can find out. These two are the opposite, these two are the alternate, these also alternate angles. Next question. In the figure below, AB and CD are parallel. What is the relation between the angles of small and larger triangles? What is the relation between the angles? Here AB is parallel to CD. Then you consider this line. AB is a parallel line, CD is another parallel line. AD is the line crossing it. So these two parallel lines, a line is crossing. What about these two angles? These are the alternate angles. So angle BAP, and angle CDP, What about this angle? They are equal also because they are alternate angles. Alternate angles. So these two angles are alternate and equal. So AB is parallel to CD and AD is the line crossing it. These two angles are alternate angles. Same like you can write other also. AB is a parallel line, CD is another parallel line, BC is the line crossing it. So what about these angles? These angles are also equal and they are also alternate. So angle ABP is equal to angle DCP. They are also alternate angles. So two parallel lines, a line is crossing it. These are the alternate angles. So we can write. Then what about these two angles? These are the opposite angles. APB, angle APB and angle CPD. They are also equal and they are opposite angles. I already studied the opposite angles are also equal. So all the angles of both the triangles are equal. That means equal means these two have same value, these two have same value, this also have the same value. So we can say these two triangles are equal. How? The angles are equal. Angles of both the triangles are equal. So both the triangle are same angles. So angle APB and angle CPD are same values. The angles are same. These two angles are same. These are same. This is also same angles. Good morning, students. See the question. In the figure, PR and ST are parallel. PR parallel to ST. There is a symbol for parallel lines. PR parallel to ST. Is there any relation among the angles of the two triangles? What is the relation between the angles of these two triangles? The first triangle is QTS. The second triangle is QRP. You can see this one. So two triangles you can see here. One is the smaller one, another one is the bigger triangle QRP. Smaller triangle is QTS. You have to find out the angles. What is the relation between the angles? So from the question we can write PR is parallel to ST. And there are two triangles here. One bigger triangle QPR and smaller triangle QST. In both these triangles, what about angle Q? Angle Q is common for both the triangles. See the bigger triangle QPR. Angle Q is here. And then you consider the smaller triangle QST. This angle is same as both the triangles. For triangle QPR and the triangle QST, angle Q is common. PR and ST are parallel lines, and there are two triangles you can see here. the bigger triangle QPR and the smaller triangle QST. In these two triangles, angle Q is common. See in the smaller one QST, this angle Q is here. Then the bigger triangle QPR, angle Q is there. So in both the triangles, we can say for the triangle QPR and triangle QST, Q is common. Once this is a common angle and these are the two parallel lines, a line is crossing like this. What about these two angles? These are corresponding angles. So angle QTS and angle QRP, these two angles are corresponding and they are equal also. Then what about these two angles? This is the parallel line, this line is crossing. So these two angles are corresponding angles. That is angle QST and angle QPR. Angle QPR are also corresponding angles. So these two are corresponding angles, these two are also corresponding angle, and angle Q is common. So you can say both the triangles has the same angles because these two are corresponding angles. You know, corresponding angles, the value should be equal. That is angle QTS is equal to angle QRP and also angle QST is equal to angle QPR. So both the values are equal. So we can write all the angles of these two triangles, the bigger triangle and the smaller triangle, all the angles are equal. That is the relation between two triangles. All the angles of both the triangles are equal. So angles of bigger triangle, that is QPR, and the smaller one QST are equal. Good morning, students. See the question. In the figure below, a parallelogram is divided into 4 triangles by the diagonals. Calculate angles of these triangles. Here 4 triangles you can see, and this is the diagonal AC and DB. Here the angle is given 90 degree. Here it is 25 degree. Here also 25. You have to find out other angles. Consider the first triangle. In triangle AOB. Here 2 angles is given. You have to find out the third one. How will you find out the third angle? Sum of angles 190. So angle ABO. This angle you have to find out. ABO is equal to 190 minus 90 plus 25. It is 190 minus 115. So we'll get 65 degree. We'll get 65 degree. To mark it first. Next, consider the second triangle BOC. In triangle BOC, one angle is given. You have to find out other 2 angles. If this angle is 90, what about here? If we consider this as a linear pair, what about this angle? This is 90, this is also 90 degree. So angle BOC is equal to 90 degree because it is a linear pair. So angle this you got. Same like you have to find out the other angle OBC. Angle OBC is equal to sum of angles of a triangle is 180. So 180 minus 90 plus 25. So we will again get 180 minus 115 will get 65 degree. So this angle is 65 degree. Next you find out the third triangle. Next triangle DOC. This is a DOC, that is the third one. So first we consider this angle. Angle DOC is equal to, what about here? These two are opposite. These two are opposite angles. So 90 degree. Write down opposite angles. Next you can find out these two angles. Consider this. What are their alternate? So angle CDO. Angle CDO is equal to 65 degree because it is alternate angle. Then so you got 65 here. Next DCO. Angle DCO is equal to, see this one, these two are alternate angles. So this is 25 degree. DCO will got 25 because they are alternate. What about this one? This is 90 degree because these are the opposite angles. Next triangle is here. Triangle DOA. Same like DOC, you can write this one. These two are opposite angles. This is alternate angles. These two are also alternate. So first you have to write this one, DOA. Angle DOA is equal to 90 degree because it is opposite angle. Or you can write these two are the linear pair also. Then so this you got 90 degree. What about here? These two angles are alternate angles. So this is 65 degree. So angle ADO. Angle ADO is equal to 65 degree because they are alternate. Next you have to find out this one, DAO. These two are alternate, so this is 25. Angle DAO is equal to 25 degree. So they are also alternate angles. This is the we have to find out all angles of this parallelogram. In the figure, AB and CD are parallel lines. Compute the third angle. This angle you have to find out. AB and CD are parallel lines. You have to find out the third angle. For finding out this one, first you have to draw a parallel line here. Draw a parallel line like this. Then give the name. This is F, this is E, and this point is G, and this point is H. So first draw a parallel line like this and mark the names. Then first of all you have to find out this angle. You know these two lines are parallel lines. What about these angles? They are alternate angles. So EF parallel to CD. These two lines are parallel. What about this angle? Angle FEH is equal to. These two are alternate angles. So these two lines are parallel. These two angles are alternate. So write down there 45 degree. Same like you have to find out these two also. Line EF and AB are parallel. AB are parallel lines. These two angles are alternate. So angle FEG is equal to how much? 35 degree. 35 degree. So that also alternate angles. So you got these two angles. What is the question? You have to find out the third angle. So you have to find out the sum of these two angles. So angle GEH you have to find out. GEH you have to find out. That means the sum of these two angles. That is angle FEH plus angle FEG. What is FEH? 45 plus FEG it is 35 degree. So these two together how much you will get? 80 degree. So together this angle together it is 80 degree. So this is the answer. So first of all you have to draw a line parallel to CD, then find out these two alternate angles, then these two are the parallel lines, find the alternate angles, then take the sum.